Hello once again, you lucky viewers. My name is Justin and we're changing out an outlet on audio button maintenance. This is the angle that best works for the camera. It should only take me a couple seconds to get this in and out. A couple seconds, I mean a couple of minutes, maybe 6. What I usually take. Looks like we're using the sides. Make sure when you're doing anything electrical, you turn the power off. White is always on the left. Too bad it's not on the right because it'd be a nice rhyme, but white, which is the neutral, is always on the left. Hot is on the right. Most outlets are, well, all outlets, at least in the United States, are 120. So only one wire is hot. Come on. It's gonna take longer than 6 minutes now, I tell you. Wires look to be in good condition. Do not need to cut them or change them out. I'm tightening down the screws on the side that we're not going to use. You're a cat. I don't know if the neighbors have a cat. White being on the right. Making on the outlets, there is a little clip that holds the wire in spot, so as you're taking the screw down, it does not slip out. Both sides clipped in. What is wrong with this one? Super tight. screw's like not wanting to turn on this one. Oh, come on. Philip flathead square tip. Oh, there we go. Round wire on, clip it into its little area. Got about 6 minutes. Why is it when I say how long it's going to take, it takes me longer, and when I don't, it takes me less? There is a bunch of other videos of me changing out outlets a lot quicker. And there we go. I could do a test on it to show that it's wired correctly. Maybe that's what I'll do. Give me a second, I'll turn the power back on. Test it. My legs. My legs! And there you have it.